Hi there, Now Factor community. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss the weekly updates, um, especially focusing on mindfulness and also what I've been through and how I reminded myself in the moments when I was in and successfully applied law of attraction and also teachings of Neville Goddard. Welcome back. Again, this channel is all about now factor. Remember, bigger your now factor is, the closer is your manifestation. Please hit the like button, and if you are new to the community, please hit the subscribe. This helps grow the law of attraction community, and you know it gives a chance for everyone to learn about the secrets and learn how we can use the principles of law of attraction and also teachings of Neville Goddard. So two major things I have bumped into this week. One is related to the work, the other related to my personal life. Both are kind of exciting. I'm starting to see the fruits of all the learning and all the power of law of attraction. I'll start with my experiences with work. So, I ran into a couple situations where I kind of felt my boss would think, I didn't do such a good job, although I was trying very hard to, make things work and arrange for everything. But there were a couple human errors made me feel very low, and you know um, I have to tell you, I'm thinking I'm like getting better at catching myself in the moments, and this is what I did in those couple instances. So the couple instances where I felt sorry guys, there is a bug entered my car, so I had to open the windows and let it go. But yeah, coming back to what I've been and what I have experienced this week, I caught myself in the moment where I felt like I'm gonna, kind of piss off my boss. I told myself, if I'm living in the end, would I be worried that my boss would feel that I'm not performing well? I said to myself, no. I'll be thinking that I'm good enough, and my boss will accept me as I am. And I kept saying that inside myself. Also, I also added to that, saying that my world is taking care of me. My world is looking after me. So I kept, saying that to myself for a few times when I felt that my boss is gonna get pissed off of me. So again, what I said was that if I'm living in the end, how would I feel? How would I feel with the relationship with my boss? I told myself, my boss would respect me, my performance is valued, and my world is taking care of me, and my world is looking after me. Man, this worked like a magic. My boss even didn't repeat. My boss didn't even bother about what I did and what I did not. Everything went normal. End of the day, I did do hard work, and my boss was mainly focused on the hard work I did. he never mentioned about the shortcomings, the the human errors I made along the way. So end of the day, it still gave me that good feeling that I worked on something and it went really well. So you see the power of teachings of Neville Goddard's here, right? So when you catch yourself in the moments, all you gotta say is, if you are living in the end, do you expect this? Of course not, right? So you gotta remind that to yourself, and also you can add to that saying, my world is taking care of me. My world is looking after me. It works like a charm, guys. Again, please hit like and subscribe button, and if you are new to the Now Factor community, um, please hit the subscribe button and share the video. This channel is all about discussing practical techniques that you can apply in your day-to-day life, making the life better and experience what you desire. So in the beginning of the video, I said that I'm gonna share two couple experiences during this week. One is related to the work, which I already told you all, and the next one is my personal life experience. I'm a single father. I have twins, and I'm not able to raise them by myself, although I pay um, someone to raise them. But it's not anybody, it's my parents. I pay them, and they look after my kids. I pay them well every month, but it's been going on for 10 years now. I'm not able to find any girl yet, but this is something bothering me a lot for years and years long. And beginning this week, although I'm exposed to the law of attraction and the principles of Neville Goddard, I never started applying until this week, I think. So I'm feeling like, okay, I'm not able to find a girl, and I'm not able to bring my kids and raise them by myself. So things just not happening for the last 10 years. So I have twins, and they are being raised by my parents all the time, and for these 10 years. And I'm worried at this point. My kids are already like 10 years old, and how long this is gonna drag on. So I can't seem to find a hope here, to be honest with you. So again, I'm in the moment. So I caught myself just last in the couple days while I run into this frustration, anxiety, and depression, or whatever it is. So this is going on for 10 years. So I caught myself in the last couple days, and I've been telling myself, I got to stop thinking that I'm not raising my kids by myself. I should start seeing in my I should start upgrading my awareness. I should start telling myself that I already see myself with my kids, raising them by myself in my awareness. So awareness is the key. Awareness and consciousness is the key. So consciousness is the knob. You turn the consciousness, and you dial into the frequency, you dial into the energy you wanted. So if I'm raising my kids by myself, and I need to bring that into my awareness. Yes, it's not showing in my current reality yet, but you get the point, right? So applying the law of attraction and the teachings of Neville Goddard, I started to tell myself in the last couple days, I'm already raising my kids by myself, and it's already in my awareness. That gives me such a sense of relief. These 10 years gone by, and I can't seem to find a hope. I make good money, but since my kids are raised by my parents all their life, and I'm in America, they are in India. So you don't have to worry about my problem, but I just want to let you know how I got myself out of this moment where you feel the frustration of a single father. So instead of keep staying in the moment, I drag myself out of the moment by telling myself that I'm already raising my kids by myself, and it's already in my awareness. I'm sure this is gonna boost my manifestation, and I'm sure within no time, before I knew it, my kids will be with me. So that's all. That's I think this week went pretty well. Otherwise, I have these problems, but I'm still a happy guy, thanks to teachings of Neville Goddard, and thanks to law of attraction that keeps me alive and that keeps me interested in life. um, so again, if you are new to this community, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your loved ones. This channel is all about sharing practical law of attraction techniques and teachings, discussing the teachings of Neville Goddard. I love you all. Please help grow the community. This is a fairly new channel. Help by subscribing and sharing and liking the video. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, remember, the bigger is your now factor, the closer is your manifestation. The bigger is your now factor, the closer is your manifestation. Peace.